you?
I am a Fridge Genie.
And what do you do?
I will grant you 3 wishes.
Alright, I'll have $1 million.
Sorry, no can do.
But you just said...
Oh, it has to be food related.
Can't you just do what normal genies do and grant normal wishes?
Normal genies don't jump out of your fridge.
Alright then. I'll have some eggs and bacon.
Granted.
These aren't even cooked.
Or are they?
No, they're not. And also, where's the bacon?
Bacon, right. Yes. Second wish.
Alright. For my second wish...
No, that was your second wish.
I asked for bacon with my eggs. How could that count as a second wish?
Second Fridge Genie. Was that a second wish?
Yeah. Fine. For my third wish, I'll have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What's wrong with a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
You don't want to know.
You want to know why?
Yeah.
You don't want to know.
You want to know why?
Yeah.
You don't want to know.
You want to know why?
Yeah.
What did the peanut butter say to the jelly?
What?
I'll get you in a jiffy.